In today's video, I will walk you through how to make an easy coloring book in Canva. The first thing you need to do is create a new design. In this example, choose an A4 document. Once your blank page is ready, go to Elements and search Animals. Drag the first image onto the canvas and make it a little larger so it fills more of the page. After that, click on Edit Photo. Next, click on Filters and look for the Mono category. Under Mono, choose Classic. After applying the filter, scroll back up and click on Adjust. Now start adjusting the image settings. Every image reacts differently, so you will need to experiment a little with the sliders to get the best result. Focus mainly on the saturation and brightness settings while adjusting the image. Continue changing the settings until the image starts to look more like a clean coloring page. You can also improve the outlines by adjusting the blacks and contrast sliders. Coloring pages usually work best when the image already has dark or black outlines, so these settings can help make the lines clearer and more visible. Now repeat the same process with a second image. Drag the image onto the canvas, remove the background if needed, apply the Mono Classic filter, and then adjust the image settings. That's how you can turn a photo into a simple coloring page in Canva.